No. Dada is eating pork steak. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Show me how yummy it is. Okay. Is it really good? So it's pork meat on the grill.
Pork meat only.
And what else do we have there? Cabbage,
Cabbage and carrot.
carrot. Yummy. With chili. Is it hot?
No, it's good. Not hot.
How do you like the bread?
Very soft.
Very soft and nice. What is that? Meat. That's meat? Oh no, that's bread. You don't have to eat bread. Put it on tray. You don't need it. There's a lot. How do you say pumpui? I don't want you to be, no, I don't want you to be fat. Perfect. Wow, you really like it.
I like everything from Serbia.
Good. Good.
I like pizza jaj.
Oh,
Pizza jaj.
prijatno. How do you say prijatno? Prijatno.
Приятно.
Have a good appetite. Great. Yum. Very good.
อร่อยมาก
Arroima. Arroima.
อร่อยมาก อร่อยมาก
Perfect.